I love this Arpha camera for my home. And you will love her too. The presentation is beautiful, and 2 cameras come. Come with its cable and magnetic support. Human detection, works with Alexa, and clear night visions. The size is perfect for your bedroom, bathroom, hall, kitchen, whatever do you want in your home. Easy instructions. It is very easy to connect. The video resolution is 3.0 megapixel. Connect to the Bluetooth and that's it. Now let's put it in its place. Come with me. This will be for my baby's room. It's very pretty for a lollipop. It looks incredible. You will love her.